Hello fam, any form of beaded jewelry whatsoever, you can actually directly message me on the number I'm going to be dropping in the description box below. So guys, this is a simple beaded layered bead jewelry. This is a simple layered beaded jewelry, okay? And it's actually very simple, but in case you need something like this or any other form of beaded jewelry whatsoever, just send a sample and we can actually deliver to you wherever you are. And if it's also beads, just send a screenshot of whatever you want. And if you don't have a sample, you would like me to send you sample, it's also fine. So wonderful people, you can actually reach me through my description box below. Just check out the link I'm going to be dropping so that you can actually make your request. So wonderful people, I'll be hoping that you patronize us one of these days. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. To our returning subscribers, to say huge thank you. And if you're new here, please don't forget to share and